So approximately 3, 4, 5 years ago, I was a video editor. I was a filmmaker and doing jobs left and right. I admired when I saw these video editors or filmmakers making $5,000 per month, making $10,000 per month, or closing like high ticket deals. And I never knew how they would do it. And I also had a way too big ego paying for this information for a mentor. And I never stepped into that space till I actually paid for a mentor. So in this video, I will give it for free. How I closed last month, it's actually 2 months ago, a $20,000 deal, and how I could teach the same method towards Nico. And Nico just closed in 60 days working with me as well, a $20,000 deal. Here's proof with the testimonial of Nico.
So before I joined CreatorScale, I already built up 2 YouTube channels myself, both with a couple million of views. And I also worked as a video editor for 2 clients for a couple of hours a week. So from my experience, I knew that YouTube is a super valuable marketing tool and that I theoretically could help businesses building up their YouTube channel and earn a lot of money with it. But my question was, of course, how to reach those people. While searching how to do it, I found Noah in CreatorScale, and his advices and tools gave me the opportunity to close my first deal of $20,000.
So what makes the difference between charging below $1,000, maybe between $1,000 and $2,000 and $3,000 and $5,000? It's very simple. It's the outcome you generate for your clients. Because when you can make, the more money you can make for your client with video editing, the more money you make. Sounds easy. But you need to position it in the right way. And it's pretty boring because obviously when you get them more traffic with your video editing, then they make more money. Obviously, they need to get the right traffic to make more money. And when you have proof and you go towards these people, towards these business owners, and you show them how it works, and you show them, hey, I did that already in the past, then closing a $20,000 deal, which is actually a collaboration over several months with one client, becomes really easy because you make them more money than your cost, your investment is. And you just need to repeat this. So you need to build once a very nice case study showing that you can actually do something and actually offer value and not just editing some videos where you want to get paid because you put your time in. Nobody cares about the time you put into video editing. It's about the video making more money. And when you can, like I said, show proof that you can do it, then this is your ticket to make $20,000 with one client. So what is the next step? Build one case study. I did that in real estate. I did that in fitness. So I built YouTube channels with video editing, showcasing that my video edits are good. And the whatever is in the video is also good. So it attracts the right audience. And then the next step is to let them record a video that you actually help them doing this, building this YouTube channel. And then you take the snippet and you make warm outreach to people which you know, and you make cold outreach with Instagram DM, cold emailing, and cold calling. And when you're not boring and you're literally just doing these things, then you will close a $20,000 deal, just like Nico did. If you want to have a blueprint, first link in the description below, where you find a video where I explain how this whole thing works. And obviously, you can also book straight away a call into my calendar. If you want to have my help, I can show you exactly how this whole thing works. If you have any questions, you can also drop me an Instagram DM, and then we will see each other either in the chat, either on the call, or in the next video. Bye-bye.